In today's video, I am going to teach you how to shade cells in Excel. Shading cells is a simple way to make important information stand out and make your worksheet easier to read. It can help separate sections, highlight headings, or draw attention to key values. Once you know where to find the Fill Color tool, the process is very quick. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the cells you want to shade. Click on one cell, then drag your mouse across the other cells you want to include. As you drag, Excel will highlight that range so you can clearly see what will be affected. Make sure you select all the cells you want before moving on, because the fill color will only apply to the highlighted area. After your cells are selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. This tab contains many of the most commonly used formatting tools, including the option for adding color to cells. If you are already on the Home tab, you are ready for the next part. Now look for the Fill Color icon. It usually appears as a small paint bucket in the ribbon. Next to that icon, you will see a small arrow. Click that arrow to open the color menu. This is where Excel shows the available fill colors you can use for your selected cells. Once the color menu appears, click on the color sample you want to apply. As soon as you select a color, Excel will fill the highlighted cells with that shade. This makes it easy to customize the look of your spreadsheet and organize your data visually. When choosing a color, it is a good idea to pick one that improves readability. Lighter shades often work well for large sections of data, while stronger colors can be useful for titles or important cells. The main goal is to keep the worksheet clear and easy to understand. If the color does not look the way you expected, you can simply repeat the same process and choose a different one. Excel updates the fill right away, so it is easy to adjust until it looks right. That is the full process for shading cells in Excel. Select the cells, go to the Home tab, open the Fill Color menu, and choose your color. That covers everything you need to know.